After Windows 11 installation, in the startup menu, and not only, you may see a lot of ads. Ads which are simply not needed and Microsoft installs them by default. But you shouldn't see them. To prevent them from being installed on your laptop or PC, you just need to change one thing during Windows 11 installation, and of course today I will show you how to do it. I want to know that today I will not show you how to create a bootable USB stick with Windows 11 because I already have video on this topic, so you can watch it here or here. Let's get it started. So friends, let's get into it. As you can see, we're going to install Windows 11 on a laptop. As I said earlier, you need to create a bootable USB stick with Windows 11. You can use official utility, media creation tool. You can install it from the Microsoft official website, or you can use a Rufus utility. By the way, using Rufus, you can install Windows 11 on an unsupported laptop and bypass Microsoft account, etc. So after creating a bootable USB stick, you just need to insert it into your laptop or PC. Then you need to turn on your machine, enter the BIOS or enter the boot menu. So in my case, I will enter the boot menu. That is, I will manually select my USB stick. Literally what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the machine and press F12 key to enter the boot menu. So on some laptops it works, on some you need to enter the BIOS, you need to check on the internet what you need to do to enter the BIOS and change priority. But this is the easiest way, you just need to press F12 key after turning on the machine. So I turn on the machine, pressing F12 key like this. Great. Now I just need to select my USB stick. In my case, this is Lexer USB drive. If you have a Kingston or Samsung, just select your USB stick. Then press enter. Now please take a close look. This is the only thing that you need to do. After doing this, you will not see ads in the startup menu. Here's the thing. In the language to install, you have only one language that you selected. But what you need to change in the time and currency format. You need to select English World. In my case, from English United States, I need to select English World. So you also need to select English World. Click here. Actually, believe it or not, but that's all. Now you need to click next and just install Windows 11. And after installation, you will not see any ads in the startup menu, and not only. So click on next. Agree with all terms and conditions. Select accept. In my case, I will do a clean installation of Windows 11 and I will delete all partition from disk 0, that is my SSD M2 drive. So all data will be deleted. If you want to save your files, data, etc., you need to copy them to cloud or to portable HDD or SSD drive. It all depends on you. In my case, I don't need to save any files. In my case, it's not necessary to save files, etc. So I will do a clean installation. So after deleting all partitions from disk 0, I will click on next. That is my SSD drive. A happy message, ready to install. Install Windows 11 Pro, keep nothing. Click install. Now you just need to wait and be patient until it will install Windows 11 on your HDD or SSD drive. So my laptop isn't connected to the internet. By the way, on my channel you can also watch the video how to bypass Microsoft account, etc. You can watch it here. I will click on skip. Click on yes. Skip. I don't have internet. So fellas, we are in Windows 11. Right now I will connect to the Wi-Fi, to the internet, just to show you that even after connection, ads will not appear. So here's my Wi-Fi. So I'm connecting and boom, ads disappear. Moreover, I will navigate to the settings, scroll down a little bit, Windows Update, and I will try to get all the latest updates just to show you that even after this process, ads will not appear in this window, in the startup menu. This process may take some time, so I will just show you the final result. So from what you can see, I already installed almost all available updates and now I will just restart the computer. My friends, I successfully restarted the computer and now the moment of the truth. Click on the startup menu and boom, still we don't have any ads. So yep, this method works. You just need to change one thing during Windows 11 installation and you will not see any ads. If this video was helpful, please like it, and I recommend watching this video on how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported laptop or PC.